Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the network or Wi-Fi issue on your computer or laptop. This issue mainly because of some recent security updates happen on your PC or laptop. This update could be not compatible on your system or some bugs need to fix on this update. For fixing this issue, which is the network or Wi-Fi issue, what you have to do is just uninstall the recent KB5028166 security updates from your system. So let me show you how to do it. For that, just click on Start menu and click on Settings. And here just click on Update and Security. And it will open Windows Update page. There you can see View Update History. Just click on it and it will open View Update History page. There you can see what all updates are installed on your computer. All you can see here. So there you can see one of the update named 2023-07 cumulative update for Windows 10 version 22H24 x64 based systems, and the update code is KB5028166. So this update is causing the problem for network or Wi-Fi disconnection. So what you have to do is just uninstall this update from your system. So let me show you how to do it. For that, just uninstall, click on uninstall updates and it will go to uninstall and update page. There you can see security update for Microsoft Windows and error code KB5028166. Just click on it and click on uninstall, and here just click yes and it will uninstall from your system. After that, you have to restart your system once, then try to check the Wi-Fi or network. It will be okay. That's it.